How to manage browsing settings on UC Browser app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open UC Browser app on your device. You will find this kind of screen. Here, click on the three lines at the bottom. After you click on the three lines, click on the gear icon at the bottom left, which will open settings. In here, you'll find browsing settings. Click on browsing settings in here. It will open this page. In here, you'll find different options to change font layout, preload page, tab view, image quality, swipe forward. You can change however you want. And this is how to manage browsing settings on UC Browser app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.